My name is Goldman, and I'm an attorney from Goldman and Associates. And part of what goes on in every divorce case with children has to do with the parenting plan. The parties either get together through lawyers and or get an order from the court saying that on such and such days, mom will have the kids, on such and such days, dad will have the kids. Sometimes it's an alternating situation, sometimes it's alternating weekends, time during the week. There's always a plan put in place as to how to see the kids. The question becomes, and the issue is often raised, I have a plan, the court ordered it, my ex won't follow the plan. My ex refuses to give me the kids. Here's a better one. My ex is constantly scheduling the kids for these necessary appointments on my time. What do we do about that? Well, I will tell you this. You know, the court has heard all the nonsense before. All the gamesmanship that goes on while the kids are being used as pawns for one spouse to get back at another. The court's very familiar with this, and the court doesn't like it one damn bit. So if you're in a situation where you find that your ex won't give you the kids because the grandmother's in town and the child has to visit with the grandmother, or there's some relatives that are coming in and the ex wants the child available to visit with the family, but it's your parenting time, do not sit by and say, well, okay, I'll go along with it, I'll give up my time. You may think that's the right idea because the theory is maybe you catch more flies with honey. You know what the problem with that theory is? When you do that, you end up with a lot of flies. You don't need any more flies in your life, okay? So if it's your time, you insist that it be honored. If it's not honored, you go to court and you file a motion to show cause why she should be held in contempt for denying you the parenting time. If your ex-husband finds a way to occupy the kids and not give them to you, you file that motion. You contact your lawyer and you make sure. Now, having said all that, there are times when flexibility is the order of the day. If you have a good working relationship and there's a compelling reason for you to give up your time, and you have that kind of situation where she gives up her time on occasion to honor your priority needs, that's fine. The court will very strongly encourage in the working relationship between the parties. But more often than not, you've got one person who's simply capitalizing on the kindness of the other. You've got one person exploiting the other and creating an imbalance in the parenting time. And the danger of it is that you got to believe that if your ex is marginalizing your parenting time, they're probably also marginalizing you in the eyes of that child. And you don't want that. So you need to operate from a position of strength when it comes to this. If you have any questions, give us a call, and of course we'll be glad to help you out. If you have found this helpful, please like and share.